How many boxes of scrap do we want from him? Because we know he can give us a bunch.
I don't know. We'll
Two.
see. He has. Yeah, I'd say 2 is good, or like some decent weapons. He has until, until Taylor drives us off. Yeah, keep backing up. We want to go max speed.
Yeah, I just don't want to turn at all.
Agreed. I see.
Which
He said too much farming for his body.
Oh, does he have other stuff he's willing to trade? So we might be canceling this. Oh no.
Well, we know he has more stuff.
I don't know. Man, we're so close. I want to taste the sweet ground as we smack it. Oh, tell him to make an offer. That's some good shit, and we'll
not driving.
He said, man, it's a pickup. I can give you gun attachments, maybe grenades. It's not a tank.
All right,
drive
cool.
it off.
We're going.
Oh,
We'll send him the full video.
Hold on, I'm not ready yet.
oh. It's too late! Oh my god, it's not too late! Holy shit!
Let me open OBS.
Oh my god! Let me get reline back up. Holy shit!
Holy fuck!
I can't believe that.
Oh my god, that was hilarious.
Ready on camera 1? No, fuck!
All right.
I'm
Retake. Hold on, I'm not ready now. I'm not.
I am. Camera 1 is in position, sirs.
Camera 3,
I'm just
ETA,
gonna
5 seconds.
Put the fucking bow on the ground. All right, go.
Camera 3 ready.
Here it goes. Haul ass.
Hit J.
Run like the wind, cowboy.
Hit J.
Here it goes.
Hit J.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a mech down there!
It was so far. I didn't get the explosion.
Oh. Wow.
So that's C3, right, Paul? Yeah,
What?
C3. I'm spawning C3 sector.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then we'll come meet up with you. Oh.
Well, I had never been down there before.
Yeah?
Oh, and I'm not that far.